Let's do this, brother. All right. Sit here. Okay. What is your name?
Damien.
My name is Lee.
Lee? Yes. Right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Damien. Slide back. Are you from the Devil's Pool?
Whitewater rafting.
Oh, rafting?
Yeah.
Oh, rafting is done already?
Yes.
It was a half day rafting?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, because they normally finish around 3 o'clock.
Yeah. I wanted to have
Was
time.
it fun?
Oh yeah.
Flip?
Yeah. No flipping.
No flipping?
No flipping.
Oh, it wasn't fun then.
Yeah.
You were supposed to flip right there. See that rabbit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, give me the other leg. So you have done bungee before?
No.
First time?
Yeah.
It's gonna be nice, Damien.
I did
so
skydiving earlier this week.
Oh, you did skydiving?
Yep.
Okay. So it's gonna be a bit different from skydiving.
Okay.
What you need to do is to dive out, okay?
Okay.
Like a Superman.
Alright.
You've seen the Superman dive, right?
Yes.
So you lean forward and kick from your knees. Push yourself as far as you can with your arms like this.
Okay.
So the reason why we hold our arms out to avoid spinning, you might spin.
Okay.
Get them out strong.
Even as I'm falling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially when you fall.
Okay.
Keep them out. And then after a couple of bounces, we will send before it's down, pick it up. One of our guys will join you there.
Okay.
We will touch you here and then we will want to back with it.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay.
You ready to jump? Yep. I'm going.
Ready? Do you have anything to say before we get? Feeling pretty comfortable about this.
Let's do this, damn it.
Alright.
Hop towards me. This way. Good. Where is coming from?
Los Angeles.
America.
Yeah.
Voila. Mama. Huh? Mama. Hey, Baba. Damien and Mama. Damien and Mama. Mama.
A lot of people who would not do it. Oh, there's a camera on my hand.
Yeah. Go, nigga. Yeah, bro. Yeah, wait. Check one. Check two. Check.
Fully connected, 100% safe. Let's go stand toes over the edge. Toes over, a little bit more, a little bit more.
Yep.
Alright, there. Stand up, right? So remember to jump hard as far as you can, arms up.
Okay.
Look up, chin up. Ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bungee.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, I'm just hanging around, taking in the sights, getting a massive nosebleed. Oh look, there's a fellow hangover box. That looks like a weird place to be taking a nap. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
You good?
Oh yeah.
Where is my guy from?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Yes.
Now we're going to sit, okay?
What?
We're going to sit.
Where we sit? Where we sit?
Up. First time bungee?
So what?
First time bungee jump?
First time bungee jump.
Nice. Are you from the Devil's Pool?
I was river rafting today.
Huh?
I was Devil's Pool yesterday.
River rafting today?
River rafting half day.
Nice. Which side? Zambia or Zimbabwe?
Huh?
You did with which company?
The Zambia side.
Zambia side.
Yeah.
Safer.
Okay.
Nice. Hope you enjoyed, eh?
Oh yeah, it's a good day.
Nice. Don't touch the bridge on our way up.
Don't touch the bridge. Oh.
Check. Check down. Stand up straight. You can hold the bridge.
Manje ikachoka ine ndine chairman bonse nizami nkazika panzi niambo mikamba nati
That's the zip line over there?
Yeah.
Ah.
iri mu different form.
Where's the swing?
Where you did the jump there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
Swing. These ropes.
Okay.
Yeah, for the swing. You swing that there. You jump from the bridge. This white one takes you down.
Ah.
You swing with that one. Press to open. When you get stuck, press to open.
Okay.
Yeah, just follow the cable. Happy days, eh?
Which way?
Yeah.
This way?
Follow.